Hey guys, so I'm coming to you to do, I guess, two quick little hauls. I'm going to separate the videos because it's two total different topics. So you will see me in the same outfit, makeup, and, not makeup. My makeup's kind of trash today. So I've been gone all day. This is me filming at like 10:30 at night. So yeah, let's just do it. So first I want to talk about hair loss after, well, I guess any hair loss, but if most of you don't know, I lost my hair due to the cancer. My chemo treatments caused me to lose all of my hair. So this is my hair like growing back. And I'm just coming to tell you guys how I take care of it. So when I first lost my hair, I basically went completely bald, and I just want to, this is what I did to take care of my bald head, because when you go bald, your head's very sensitive because, of course, you're not used to that. And then with the chemo treatments and stuff, my head would kind of get sore sometimes. So, shh. Don't come in here talking. What do you want? What part of I'm doing something do you not understand? Aiden, I am doing something. Go. So when I first lost my hair, to clean my head, I would use Seabreeze. I got the big huge bottle, but I just I would get a washcloth, sprinkle on a washcloth, and literally just rub my head like that, and that would clean it. And afterwards, I went in with this to moisturize my scalp, I guess you should say. Yeah, it's the ORS Incredibly Rich Oil Moisturizing Hair Lotion. So I would use that, and honestly, this stuff made my hair feel like baby butt soft. Like, this stuff is awesome. So this is $4.99, and then this big bottle of Seabreeze was $11.99. And so now that my hair is starting to grow back, what I do now is when I take a shower, I use, I forgot to grab it. Sometimes I would just, it depends on how I'm feeling that night, but sometimes I just wash my product out with water, because I do put product in my hair to style it the way you see it now. So I'll put either that or some random conditioner. I use different ones, conditioners. Sometimes I use shampoo, but not really. I really don't need it. And then when I get out, it depends on how I'm feeling that night. Again, I would either use this. My cousin got me this oil. It's Dr. CB's Cell Food Hair Food Oil. And it just says you can apply it to your hair daily. And it has, I don't know how to pronounce these ingredients, but Batana, Batana, Urtilia, and olive oil, and then a natural fragrance oil. So it's not that much in here, and I really like this stuff. It smells good. I use it on my son's hair too, and it works really good. Or I apply my Jamaican black castor oil. Just depends on how I'm feeling that night. Now, to style my hair in the morning, what I do is when I wake up, I spritz it with rose water, which I didn't bring that in here either. But I have about 3 different any rose water will work, honestly. I use the rose water, and I just started doing this, but then I put the curl enhancing smoothie on top, because right now my hair is starting to grow back to where it's kind of starting to wave up. So I put the curl enhancing smoothie on top to moisturize it, and after I do that, I just brush it with a regular brush, or I use the little small brush. And to style it and get it to hold in this style, I use the Curls Control Paste. So this one is the Passion Fruit Curl Control Paste, and this one is the Blueberry Bliss Curl Control Paste, which this one's my favorite because it smells really, really good. Yeah, it smells like blueberries. Like, this stuff is awesome. And then, like any other style to lay your edges, anything like that, I literally put on a silk scarf around my head, and I let it sit. My hair dry, like, I ain't got no hair, so it dries really fast, like 5 minutes, and then I take it off and my hair styled. So I'll do a video soon showing you guys how I actually do it. But right now, this is how I take care of my hair in this grow back process. So thank you guys for watching.